Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the device supports developer mode and updating the OS. This prevents compatibility errors. Once updated, back up your data. Use a cloud backup or create a local restore point so you can recover if needed. Next, open Settings and enable OEM Unlock or the equivalent option. Doing this early avoids mid-process reboots. Make sure to accept any security prompts and note device model and build number. These details matter for recovery images and tooling later. With prerequisites done, install official USB drivers and platform tools such as a DB and Fastboot on your computer so commands work reliably. Once installed, reboot the device into bootloader or Fastboot mode. Connect via USB and verify with a DB devices or Fastboot devices to ensure communication. Then execute the OEM-specific unlock command, commonly Fastboot OEM Unlock or Fastboot Flashing Unlock, and follow on-screen prompts. After the unlock completes, reboot and let the system finalize changes. This can take several minutes. Once booted, restore your backups and verify apps, accounts, and settings to ensure nothing broke. Decide whether to relock the bootloader for security or leave it unlocked for development. Relocking usually requires the same Fastboot tool. If something goes wrong, check a DB/Fastboot logs, reinstall official drivers. Try a different USB cable or port, and repeat the sequence carefully. Most failures trace back to connection or wrong device image mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.